Alrighty, so this is our math lesson today for Tuesday, January 12th, 2021. Today we are talking about something a little bit different. So we're talking about adding three numbers. Okay, so we're talking about adding three numbers together. So there's a couple strategies to figure out how to add three numbers together. So that means instead of just adding 2 plus 4, you would do 2 plus 4 plus 6. So the first way to do it is to figure out two numbers that equal 10. So if I use that same equation, 2 plus 4 plus 6 equals unknown. So 2 plus 4 plus 6. Now which two numbers, okay, so you're looking at all the numbers here. You have 2, you have 4, and you have 6. Out of those three numbers, are there any numbers that could be added together to make a 10? So for example, could I add 2 and 6 together to make 10? Could I add 2 and 4 to make 10? Could I add 6 and 2 to make 10? Or could I add 6 and 4 to make 10? Which two numbers added together make the number 10? This is new. Easy?
6 and 4.
6 and 4 they're a fact, right? A math fact that equals 10. So 4 and 6 equal 10. And then you would bring this number down. 2 plus 10 equals unknown. Now it's a lot easier to solve 10 plus 2, right, than it is to solve 2 plus 4 plus 6. This is what we're talking about when we're talking about partners of 10. These two partners, hey there, partner. These two partners of 10 make a 10. So 4 plus 6 make 10. So what is 10 plus 2? What is 10 plus 2? Put 10 in your head. Add 2. What is 10 plus 2, Alice?
I can't see you.
You can't see me? Can anyone else see me? No? Other people can't see me?
I can see screen off.
That's weird. That's weird that I was off for some people, but not other people. Okay, so we are talking about adding three numbers. So we are talking about partners of 10. So when we're adding three numbers, 2 plus 4 plus 6, that makes my brain hurt. So I'm going to try and find partners of 10. This is the first strategy we try to find, partners of 10. So we learned that 4 plus 6 equals 10. So 2 plus 10 equals, what does 2 plus 10 equal? Aubrey?
12.
2 plus 10 equals 12. That's right. So did you see how I did that? I did 2 plus 4 plus 6. I saw that 4 and 6 added together could make a 10. And 2 plus 10 equals 12. So 2 plus 4 plus 6 must also equal 12. Okay? And if I counted on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I could count on the whole way, but it takes a much longer time. So I would like for this next equation, I want everyone to write this equation down.
Daddy.
Okay? So, I would like you to write this equation down. 3 plus 4 plus 7 equals unknown. 3 plus 4 plus 7 equals unknown. Three plus 4 plus 7 equals unknown. I would like everyone to write that down. Three plus 4 plus 7 equals unknown. For math and for a reading lesson, you should always have something to write with and a piece of paper or a dry erase board, okay? Just because we are practicing building words and we're solving problems, stuff like that. Any meet you have, you should come with something to write with. Okay. Now, we're still looking at this strategy, partners of 10. Okay, so we're still looking for two numbers that could be added together to make 10. So for example, I might look at 3 and 4. 3 and 4 added together, wonder if that's 10. Or 3 and 7 added together, does that equal 10? Or 4 and 7, does that equal 10? So who could help me out? Which two numbers in there add together to equal 10? Emmy?
7 and 3.
7 and 3, that's right. So I'm going to take 3 and 7, and I'm going to draw lines. So I want you to do that same thing. I drew kind of like a little triangle type arrow thing. I would like you to do the same thing. Because you're going to show that 3 and 7 added together equals 10. Okay. Now, though, I still have 4. So I still have to do 10 plus 4. I didn't use 4, right? So I have to make sure I add 4 back in. 10 plus 4 equals unknown. Now, this is a lot easier to solve knowing that 10 plus 4, right, equals, this is a lot easier than 3 plus 4 plus 7, because that could make your brain go, right? 10 plus 4. So who could help me? What is 10 plus 4? I would like you to solve it on your paper, and then I'll do a countdown, and you can show me your work. So you should have 3 plus 4 plus 7. You should have this little arrow that it equals 10, 3 plus 7. And then you have to still add 10 plus 4. See, so the 4 went down there. 10 plus 4 equals. So I would like to see...
Write the number down.
I want you to write down the sum of 10 plus 4, what the answer is here, and then also write the answer here. Because the answer would be the same, because all you did was you composed. It's called composing, when you pop two numbers together to make a 10. We'll talk about it when we do place the value in a couple weeks, too. So show me your work in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, good job. That's right. So George, could you help me out? George, what does 10 plus 4 equal?
14.
10 plus 4 equals 14. So then 3 plus 4 plus 7 must also equal 14. Do you see how we did that one? Okay. The next strategy we're going to talk about is making a double. So we're going to be talking about making a double. Same thing, we're adding 3 numbers, but we're going to look at two numbers that could be added together to make the same number. So for example, I have 2 plus 5 plus 7 equals unknown. Now 2 plus 5, that doesn't equal 10. 5 plus 7, that doesn't equal 10. And 7 plus 2, that doesn't equal 10. So this one doesn't go with our last strategy that we just learned. So this one is a double strategy. So for example, here's the number 7. This is my largest number. I'm going to see if two other numbers added together would equal my largest number. So, what does 2 plus 5 equal? What does 2 plus 5 equal? Gage?
7.
7. So by making 2 plus 5 7, I made a doubles fact. 7 plus 7. And it is a lot easier to solve a doubles.
Miss Cooper.
It's a lot easier. Who can see me? Give me a thumbs up if you can see me. Okay, Vida, I'm going to suggest you hop out of the meeting and hop back in.
Okay.
Okay, because everyone else can see me, girly. Bristol, question.
I did doubles on the last question.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah, that one was a doubles fact too.
Because 3 plus 4 equals 7. And 7 plus 7 equals 14.
That's right. So Bristol's right. Our last equation was 3 plus 4 plus 7. So you could have also did that one as well. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 7 plus 7. So that was also a doubles fact. Good catch, Bristol. That's right. And then if you heard her, she said 7 plus 7 equals 14. So 2 plus 5 plus 7 must also equal 14. I must like the number 14 today. Couple problems with 14. So let's try one where it is a doubles fact. So I would like everyone to write down this equation. 3 plus 2 plus 5 equals unknown. 3 plus 2 plus 5 equals unknown. These are my little notes at the bottom of the board to remind myself what I need to teach. Doubles. 3 plus 2 plus 5 equals unknown. Now, which two numbers added together, okay, could equal one of the other numbers? Who could help me out? Easy?
7, 2, and 5.
So 2 and 5 does equal 7. That would be a pretty easy one. But I want to make the number 5. So 5's my biggest number.
2.
So 3 plus 2, that's right. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So I want everyone to write this down. And then I would like you to solve this problem. And then I'll do a 3, 2, 1, and you can show me your work. This is adding 3 numbers together. Question, Gage.
I know what 5 plus 5 equals.
Okay, give me 1 second, okay? This one was a little bit easier, you're right. 5 plus 5 is pretty simple. See a lot of brains working. Uh-oh. George, did your brain overwork? Are you okay? Alright, show me your work in 3, 2, 1. Show me your work. Yes. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's right. 5 plus 5 equals... What does it equal? Tell me.
10.
10. That's right. Good job. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So 3 plus 2 plus 5 equals 10. Okay? So that's another way to do it, is a doubles, to make a doubles fact. Our last way, what if you cannot make a doubles and you cannot make a 10? So you can't make a doubles and you can't make a 10. What do? Well, do you really want to add all three of those numbers all together and make your brain go like George's brain just went and go brrr? Right? I wouldn't want to do that. So, what if we had 3 plus 6 plus 2 equals unknown. So the other way to solve these problems is to take the two largest numbers and add them together. Okay? So we have 3, 6, and 2. So what is our largest number in this equation? Who could tell me my largest number? Cameron?
6.
Right, and what's my next largest number? 6 is my largest number. What's my next largest number?
3.
3 is my next largest number. So 3 plus 6 equals what? What does 3 plus 6 equal? Who could tell me? What's 3 plus 6 equal? Zoe?
3 plus 6 equals 9.
Equals 9. Right. If you have your camera off and you raise your hand, I'm not going to be able to see you. Good. Right, Zoe. 3 plus 6 equals 9. So now it's going to be a lot easier to solve 9 plus 2 than it is going to be to solve 3 plus 6 plus 2. Right? So who can help me? What's 9 plus 2? What's 9 plus 2? Gage?
9 plus 2 is 11.
Right, 9 plus 2 equals 11. So 3 plus 6 plus 2 must also equal 11. Okay? Let's try one more that I want you all to write down. Okay.
Miss Cooper?
Oh, nope, that's doubles fact.
Miss Cooper?
Hold on one second. Yes?
If you, saw me, eating something towards my mouth, I'm trying to finish my bacon breakfast.
Okay, so we are going to solve this one. I'd like everyone to write this down. 5 plus 4 plus 7 equals unknown. 5 plus 4 plus 7 equals unknown. 5 plus 4 plus 7 equals unknown. Everyone write that down. Okay, then I would like to know what's my largest number in 5 plus 4 plus 7. What's my largest number? Hold on, I see a lot of brains still working. What's my largest number, Carson?
7.
7 is my largest number, so I'm definitely going to add 7 with something. What's my second largest number? I only got 2 left. What's my second largest number?
5.
5. That's right, Carson. Good job. So 5. So I'm going to add 5 plus 7. Who could let me know what is 5 plus 7? Who could tell me? Someone different. Journey, what's 5 plus 7?
12.
5 plus 7 is 12. That's right. But I still have to add this 4. So now I have 12 plus 4. It's a lot easier to add a larger number to a smaller number than it is to add all of those 3 numbers, right? So 12 plus 4. Okay? I actually want you to solve this one. Solve 12 plus 4 and then I'll do a show me your work. Solve 12 plus 4 and then I'll have you do a show me your work. Remember, if you can't figure it out, put 12 in your head. 13, 14, and add 4. Okay? It's a lot easier to put a big number in your head than to continue counting on, because these had some bigger numbers in it. And when you get in 2nd grade, you add like 3 2-digit numbers and then 3 3-digit numbers. Okay, show me your work in 3, 2, 1. Awesome, Saucery, that's right. 12 plus 4 equals 16. So 5 plus 4 plus 7 equals 16. Okay? You could have also did 5 plus 4 equals 9. So you could have just used the first 2 numbers. Anytime that doesn't use a doubles fax or a tens fax, if you think making this into 9 and adding 7 is easier, do that. You know, so you don't always have to make it the bigger number. But either of those work for our strategies. So our strategies are make a 10. Try and make the number 10 out of 2 numbers, right? Make a doubles fact, right? So like 2 plus 2 is like 3 plus 7. Or, if none of those work, you can either add to make a big number, or you can add first 2 numbers. Okay? So those are some different strategies to solve adding 3 numbers. Okay? So, I'm going to show you your seesaw activity real quick just so you understand what to do, but I'm going to end my recording.